Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I found these Anthropologie rattan hurricane lanterns and I was inspired to make a Dollar Tree version, so that's what today's project is going to be. So I will be using the smaller skewers that Dollar Tree sells. There is 100 that comes in a pack and I'll be using most of them. And I'm going to set aside these skewers and I'm going to soak them in water for 15 to 20 minutes in cold water. And while they soak, I'm going to take the rest of the skewers and using these dog nail clippers, I'm going to clip the pointy side of the skewers off. I got that tip from one of my viewers. I'm sorry I forgot your name, but thank you again for that tip. So I'm just going to go through and cut the pointed side off of all of the skewers. These are the skewers that were soaked, and you can see how much more bendable they are when they have water in them. So I'm going to take this twine from Dollar Tree and I'm going to wrap all of these skewers with the twine, leaving a little bit of the skewer showing at the top and the bottom. So I'm just showing you here how I attach the twine. And I'll just continue wrapping from top to bottom, and there you can see on each end there is still skewer showing. And of course I'm going to burn off the little flyaways using this lighter that I also picked up from Dollar Tree. You can still see that even though it's wrapped, it's still bendable. So the twine doesn't inhibit that at all, and the twine is on there pretty tight. Next, I'm going to take this scrap piece of cardboard and I'm going to take this planter from Dollar Tree. Because it's spring, summertime, Dollar Tree has a bunch of these. So here's the skew if you're looking for the particular one that I'm using. And I'm just going to set it on the cardboard and trace out a circle, and then I'm going to cut that circle out. I'll be using these giant craft sticks from Walmart, but if you don't have these, you can use these larger craft sticks that Dollar Tree sells. They come 60 in a pack. I'm going to take the giant craft sticks from Walmart and hot glue them to the circle. And this is going to be the base for our lantern. Once the glue has dried, I'm going to flip the bottom over, and then I'm going to use this straight edge to cut away the excess craft stick. So now this is what the bottom of our lantern looks like. I'm going to take some sandpaper and just smooth out the edges. Now I have 5 sets of the skewers. Each set has a wrapped skewer at the beginning and the end, and then there are 15 regular skewers in between. Now I'm going to take this floral wire, then I'm going to place it around the bottom of the lantern. It's going to give me a good idea of the size that I need, and I'm going to cut 2 of these in the same size. After they're cut, I'm going to wrap these in twine as well, all the way around. And then once that's done, I'm going to use the lighter to burn off the flyaways from those as well. Now I'm ready to attach the skewers to the rings, and I'm going to do that with hot glue. And I'm actually going to take the planter, and it's going to help me attach the skewers by supporting the other end. I start with the wrapped skewer, and then I'm going to place the 15 skewers in between. Make sure you leave a little bit of space between each skewer. Do not put them right up next to each other, and you'll see why in a minute. Now I'm going to take the second ring and attach it to the other side of the skewers. And then I'm just making sure that at the other end, there's space in between each of the skewers. And I'm going to attach the rest of the skewers going all the way around. Now when I did that, I ended up with an extra section that wasn't covered, so I'm just going to make another set of the wrapped skewers and the regular skewers, and then I'm going to attach them. I'm going to show you how I reinforce the skewers, and I'm just taking the twine and I'm going in and out and wrapping each skewer around to help keep it secure. This project is super simple, but it is a little time consuming. It's a great project to do while you're binge watching your favorite show. Now we're getting ready to thread the twine around each section. So you want to thread it in between 2 of the wrapped skewers, wrap it around, and then take it down between the next set of wrapped skewers. Here I'm just tying a knot, and then I'm pulling it taut, and that's going to create that shape that our lantern has. Then I'm going to wrap the twine around 3 to 4 more times, tie another knot, and then trim it. And I'm going to do the same for the rest of our skewer sets, and then our lantern will be done. Here I have it shown as a planter, so it's the same planter that I used before. It fits right in there at the top. So if you don't want to use it as a lantern, you can use it as a planter, or you can make a couple in some different sizes and have it as a set. That would be really cute. I did hot glue the bottom to the skewers. I don't know where that footage went, but it is hot glued. And here I'm showing it to you as a lantern. Drop a comment below and let me know which way you prefer it. Do you prefer it as a lantern or as a planter? And of course, like I said, you could do both. You could make smaller sizes, larger sizes. Dollar Tree has those giant skewers. You could make a really large one. It would take you forever with all the twine wrapping, but it's possible. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's project, where I showed you how I took an Anthropologie inspired lantern and made it on a Dollar Tree budget with items that I think most of us have lying around our houses right now. If you enjoyed it, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and share. If you have not already, I would love for you to subscribe to my growing channel, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.